Hey, do you want to rocket launch your online business right now? Well, the hardest part is writing your ads. You probably agree. You are in for quite a ride today because in this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can, number one, spit out high converting ads in seconds. Number two, get a job done worth $1,000 that'll usually take you days, but done in minutes. And then number three, all the creativity done for you and it's free. Oh my God, right? So you've got an online business, but zero revenue. Well, first things first, we need to advertise. Now, the hard part about advertising online is you need to be creative. You need to write ads, tweak headlines, create autoresponder follow-ups. Heck, we all know that this is the internet gold rush, but the creativity part really throws a wrench in the works, except right now. You don't need to be creative because ManyAds software takes care of the creative side of marketing, which is like 90% of the work. This is how. You simply choose from the drop-down in the software, and no matter what combination, your ad or your story or your ebook or whatever you're doing will make total sense, funny, witty, and written by myself and my students. It's high converting, it's compliant, and there's never duplicate content. I used this software myself for a year to scale my business before I released it. So here are the business models that you can crush with ManyAds. Affiliate marketing, selling other people's products for commission. Paid ads, you'll absolutely rock Google ads, Bing, and Facebook ads. Constantly reinventing yourself. And then for sales, you put together scripts that turn prospects into leads and then sales. Writing agency, you get paid first, work later. Or an advertising agency, same thing, paid first, work later. You'd be an ebook publisher on Kindle or ClickBank, and many other methods. This is basically like your own personal business in a box, whether you're selling or fulfilling. It works for everyone, all backgrounds and experience levels, doing the work for you. It comes with more than 40 generators in all formats, over 20 niches, and you can publish direct to your social media or blogs. Launch your business for real this time. And look, let's have a quick heart-to-heart. I really do believe that ManyAds will be your favorite piece of online business software. And I do so much that I want you to be able to try it out for free. No limits, no risk, for 7 days. And you can cancel if you want, or you can stay on for as long as you want and use ManyAds to get sales and fulfill sales. So what I would recommend is to get into ManyAds right now while we have this awesome 7-day free trial, and I will see you on the inside.